This is my hoverboard, bro. Check it out.
You got the bag right there.
Bag.
Whew. Yeah.
See what else comes with it.
Charger.
Manual and a remote.
There you go.
It didn't even say it was coming with that.
We could test that out. You have to sync it though, I think. Ooh.
There's the baby right there.
Hella heavy.
I didn't think it was really that heavy. Like,
I think it's like 20 something pounds.
a lot of YouTubers saying that it's hella heavy too. I guess it really is.
Hold on, I think we could check.
Check it out, bro.
Damn.
Hella shiny.
Whew.
Here's a charger. Here's a turn on button.
Whew.
Waiting for Bluetooth connecting.
Oh, let's test that
My
joint
goodness.
right now or what?
I'll do it on mine since yours is connected. Let's check this out. And then we're gonna test ride it. So we're about to check it out. Which one?
Oh, you want to play that one right there?
Which one?
All the sound you hit pause. All the sound you hear is coming from the hoverboard.
You used to call me on my.
I don't know.
Maybe it needs charge.
Maybe.
What the hell? No. She bringing you to go? Yeah. You gonna cry if she leave? No. You gonna fly overseas? Yeah. Everybody got choices. I choose to get money. I'm stuck to this breed. Everybody got choices. These bitches is choosing. I'm all in their head. Everybody got choices. Keep it 1,000 what did I chow?
That was not even going on.
These niggas be.
Oh well.
We finna hop on or no?
You wanna try it first? Better hurry though, bro. You're going the wrong way.
Oh. Been hella long since I've been on one.
Pretty dope or what?
No, it's dope.
Let me try it one time.
You sure?
I like those colors too.
See, you gotta hurry up and put the other one on hella fast.
Oh.
I told you. Didn't I tell you that you were gonna go forward and backward like that?
Scratch the sign.
Don't worry about it. It's gonna end up getting scratched anyway.
You're the wrong way. You're on the wrong way.
Doesn't even matter. Oh. He's about to say, how do you do? Oh. Let's try going forward. Oh,
Oh,
lean back a little bit.
How do you turn?
Just one foot back and the other foot forward.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Oh, how do I
I like the LEDs on that joint.
I can go reverse.
Oh.
So this is my first time, my first hoverboard and my first time riding one. He rode his friends before.
I can't afford one. Been hella long since I rode one. Oh, whoa, oh, it was bound to happen.
That's why I didn't want to do that yet.
It's gonna happen anyway.
But I was gonna add something right here.
Oh, the bumpers?
Yeah,
Did it come with it?
I don't know. Oh well.
Sure. T Martin broke his the first day he got his.
Oh.
So you're doing better than his. You gotta put it hella fast. Oh, oh, oh.